So hello people, today we will be solving LeetCode daily question, that is open the log 752, and in this we'll be given a log in front of you with four circular wheels, and each will be having 10 slots, that is from 0 to 9, and in this the wheels can rotate freely and wrap around. For example, 9 can turn into 0 or 0 can turn into 9, and each wheel consists of one wheel, one slot. Okay, and the log initially starts with 4 zeros, a string representing the state of for wheels, and we'll be given a list of dead ends. Dead ends means if the log displays any of these codes, the wheels will stop turning and you will not be able to open it. Okay, and we'll be given a target representing the value of the wheels that will unlock the log, and we have to return the minimum number of total turns required to open the log, or is -1 if it's impossible. Okay, so for this, for example, we are giving dead ends equal to these all are the dead ends, and if at any point we meet a dead end, we need to stop, otherwise we'll just have to reach 0 to 0 2. Okay, so now what we'll be doing is we'll basically starting with going to the BFS. We'll be adding 0 0 0 0 to the visited list, and then we'll be modifying it and then generating new combinations, and from that we'll be having. Okay, so firstly let's have a map of character and character, character comma character, and in this we'll be storing the next slot, like what 0 can become next, because it's written we are allowed to move freely and also wrap around. That will be to do a new hash map. Okay, or we can just directly do map of map dot off, and then this we'll just pass these things that 0 comma 1. I'll just fast forward it so that you can just learn this quickly. I'll be creating a map of the next slot and the prep slot. Yeah, so I'm done with adding all these things. The previous slot and the next slot, like 0 will become 9, 1 will become 0, 2 will become 1, and all this. Okay, so now let's have a set of visited combinations. Let's have a set of strings, which is, let's call it visited combinations, that is equal to a new hash set. Okay, and we'll be adding the dead ends to basically the visited combinations. Okay, so arrays dot as list, that is dead ends. Okay, and now let's have a queue of string, which will be adding the pending combinations, which will be basically used for DFS. Pending combinations, that is equal to a new linked list. Okay, and now let's have a turn turns, that will be equal to 0 initially. How much turns will it take to find, and also if this is the base condition, that if visited combinations dot contains, if 0 0 0 0 is present, so it means we cannot even start. So we, in this case, we'll just return -1, and else we'll be doing that, we'll be adding pending combinations dot add 0 0 0 0. Okay, and now while my not pending combinations dot is empty. Okay, what I'll be doing is I'll be having the size currently, that is equal to pending combinations dot size. Then for int I equal to 0, I less than. Okay, so for int I equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus, and then what I'll be doing is, I'll be popping off the current combination, string current combination, that will be equal to pending combinations dot pool. Okay, and then I'll be checking that if my current combination dot equals my target, so in that case I'll just return the number of turns. Okay, else what I'll be doing, I'll be rotating the wheel, that for int I equal, as the length of the basically string would could be 4 only, so we'll be having 4 rotations only. I list. Okay, so let's have it less than 4 wheel plus plus. Okay, and then what I'll be doing is let's have a string builder of new combination that will be equal to new string builder from the current combination. Okay, and what we'll be doing is new combination dot set char at wheel, the basically the location from 0 1 2 3, wheel comma next slot dot get new combination dot char at v. Okay, and now what I have to do is if it's not already present in the visited, if not visited, combi visited. This code is going to have a lot of problems, I guess. Combinations dot contains new combination. In that case only I'll have to add it to my visited and the pending combination. Visited combinations dot add new combination and also pending combinations dot add new combination. Okay, and now we'll like do the same for the uh, pen like the previous slot also, so I'll just quickly copy it. And you can from dot get next slot to just the prep slot, just this much is going to be the change. And also okay, I forget, I need to check for the toString method also. So okay, I just get it to lot dot toString, and I'll just quickly remove the toString from here as well as from here. Okay, and after this I'll just do a turns plus plus. I guess I did it in the right while loop. Yeah, and at the end if I don't find the answer, just return -1. Now let's run it. I cannot find combinations visited. Okay, I told you a lot of errors. Okay, thankfully it's line number 43. New combination dot equals target first of all, and the other one is the line number 52. Visited combination visited tied. Okay, visited. Okay, now let's run it again. Another error. Visited again. Yeah, obviously I expected this to happen. So I need to do this is just print out of scopes at some point. Dot char at v new combination dot toString new combination dot toString new combination dot to. Okay, so yeah, here I forgot to that I need to reinitialize it again. Yeah, now let's run it again. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. It's been a long video and also I guess a dull one. Yeah, it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.